The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation has acted on threats to remove illegal billboards in the corporate area. The KSAMC ramped up enforcement this week after businesses failed to pay the fines despite a recent amnesty. Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby says the action will continue as this is not a 9-day wonder.
Since January 1, we would have been highlighting the issue of compliance of signs and billboards. We have given out letters, we have talked to persons individually, we have talked to umbrella organizations about this, and we have even done ads on the radio. And we said that this campaign in terms of awareness would have upped on the 31st of March.
He says the operation, which was due to commence on April 1, was delayed to ensure that the data was verified.
Once they are publicly displayed, whether they are on private property or in plazas or on the roadside, once they have not been applied for and approved by the KSAMC, we will be taking them down.
There is an appeal for individuals engaging in illegal dumping along Hughenden Avenue to cease immediately. Counsel for the Hughenden Division of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, Andrew Harris, says he will be taking firm action against the activity.
I must tell you, it is a challenge that I face because, for one, some of the articles that you see there, it is just civic pride. You see toilets, you see building material, and in former days, we would have seen bodies dumped there. So, as I said, bodies, we would see dead bodies in former years. Probably 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago, we would be seeing bodies there. We had to ask the police for increased protection on that stretch.
He is also urging residents to play an active role by reporting any instances of illegal dumping.
We have a particular area on the top of Hughenden Avenue that, as we clean it, if the MP cleans it today, by next week it's dumped again. If I clean it today, by next week it's dumped up again. People just have. So we're trying to take some measures. I've met with the residents twice, and we're coming up with an idea, which is to block that area from vehicular traffic from one end so that we can sort of curtail the type of traffic and people can actually have eyes to see who is doing this dumping.
Heavy rainfall has left roads in Lacovia St. Elizabeth in a dangerously deteriorated condition, causing major disruption for motorists. Along the Lacovia to Burnt Savannah Main Road, a motorcyclist was reportedly washed away due to flooding, while another rider narrowly escaped serious danger while attempting to cross a compromised section near the Lacovia police station, where traffic has been reduced to a single lane. At the same time, over in Santa Cruz, sections of road have become impassable, forcing motorists to take lengthy detours.
I don't know which one of them is responsible for these roads, but these roads are in a deplorable condition. We need to do something about it. These roads cannot stay like this for no longer.
Government will step in and do something for the people, because we cannot continue like this. You understand? Cannot continue like this. It's in a real bad state.
It's time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It's now time for the Business Minute.
Guardian Holdings is reporting a sharp increase in profits for the 2025 financial year, highlighting the strength and resilience of its diversified business model. Profit attributable to shareholders rose to $1.5 billion, up from $850 million in 2024. The board says the improved performance reflects a series of sound strategic decisions over time, aimed at strengthening the group's long-term stability while delivering results in the short term. Further afield, stamp prices could be going up this summer. The U.S. Postal Service is proposing a 4% increase for a first-class forever stamp. That would boost the cost to 82 cents starting July 12. It comes as the agency deals with a financial crisis due to declining mail volumes, high operating costs, and pension requirements. The Postal Regulatory Commission must still review the plan. If it's finalized, it would be the 8th time stamp prices have gone up since 2021. And that's it for the Business Minute. I'm Carrie Ann Simpson.
It's now time for the top regional and international stories.
Acting Venezuelan President Delcy Rodriguez is in Grenada in her first international trip since assuming office in January. According to the government of Grenada, Prime Minister Dickon Mitchell received President Rodriguez in a pivotal moment of engagement and dialogue between Grenada and the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. It said the visit provides an opportunity to strengthen diplomatic ties, explore areas of mutual interest, and continue fostering partnerships that support development and cooperation. This engagement comes as Venezuela's acting leader undertakes early regional outreach, signaling efforts to deepen ties with Caribbean partners. Further afield, Pakistan is tightening security ahead of high-stakes talks between the United States and Iran, set to begin this weekend. Authorities have cleared streets in Islamabad and declared a 2-day public holiday as American and Iranian delegations arrive for their first face-to-face negotiations since the war began. A fragile 2-week ceasefire is holding for now, but growing tensions threaten to derail the talks. Israel's latest strikes in Lebanon and disagreements over whether Lebanon is included in the truce have added new uncertainty. And those are the latest regional and international stories. I'm Prince Moore.
We head to a quick break. When we come back, we'll have your midday sports report.